Hi, it's Shayan, and today we are going to discuss about how to build a SaaS faster. The first step in building a SaaS faster is that you have to create or buy a boilerplate. Why create or buy a boilerplate? Because they have all the boring stuff catered for you. For example, they have authentication, emails, payments, landing page components, setup, all set up for you. So when you have already bought the boilerplate, you have catered all the boring stuff that takes time. After buying the boilerplate, the second step is dry. What does dry mean? Dry means do not repeat yourself. What this actually means in the coding? Let's say you have two forms, login and register. What you can do to do not repeat yourself is that you can create a form component with the props of, let's say, a form type. When you create a form component and pass the prop like login or register, change the content on basis of this prop. You don't have to repeat to make the login or register page again and again. You can just use the form component. The third thing to speed up building your SaaS is that you can create a personal wiki. Create a personal wiki. What is personal wiki? Personal wiki can contain different things. For example, UI components, DevOps procedures for setting up the servers. And third thing is that you can have Stripe or any payment setup, or you can have templates. For example, you can have login page template or any other template. By these three steps, you can build your SaaS extremely fast. Thank you for watching this video.